I'm Max Kennerk. I'm with Jefferson Electric, and I'm a senior account manager. Jefferson Electric is a full-service electrical contractor. We specialize in solar energy, battery storage, and also electrical vehicle charging. We've been in business for about 15 years. We've started out as a residential contractor that did light commercial electrical work, and then we moved into solar about 7 or 8 years ago. That's really when we saw the price of solar go down to a point where it made financial sense along with environmental sense. It's really changed our business. I would say, probably 75% of the work that we do is solar, so it keeps us busy. A lot of our customers who end up going with solar, they might be frustrated with their energy bills, expecting those rates to rise even more, so they're preparing for that. We have other customers that are concerned about a grid outage, so they just want to prepare themselves and their family to have that power when the grid is down, so they'll add batteries to their system. Another motivation, I would say, is more environmental. People have the choice on how they want to power their home. They can use a non-renewable source, or they can use solar, which is a renewable source. It's clean, and it makes the customer feel better about their carbon footprint. Solar is pretty high price tag. It's an expensive home improvement. It's unique in that it eventually pays for itself, but it is still a high dollar investment. So not everyone can just pay cash for a system. So financing really comes into the picture when someone wants to finance either the entire project or just a portion of the project. So the benefit to us is that we get additional customers, and then the benefit to the homeowner is that it makes it easier to adopt solar.